Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokémon Sword and Shield error code to ALZAA 0016. The error reads, "Communication with the other trainer was interrupted." This error comes when players try to join max raid battles or perform link trades. Many users shared that the error appears right before a raid starts or during the matchmaking process. It also happens while trying to trade with other players. According to our research, this error seems to be linked to the current in-game event. Looks like one of the rewards in the event appears to cause the game to crash. First, restart your device and try again. Also, check if the game needs an update. If there is an update, install it and try again. If the error persists, check if only the current event is causing this issue. In that case, the error may be linked to a specific reward in the event, so wait for the developers to resolve it. You can also try joining the non-promoted raids. Many users shared that these work without triggering the error. If nothing helps, then the error is likely from the game's end. We suggest waiting for a few hours and trying again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.